Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For case law based questions in the business laws paper of the CA Foundation exam, the key is to present a structured and a well reasoned answer. Here's a detailed guide on how to approach such questions. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So let's start the video. Understand the case and identify the legal issue. Carefully read the question, understand the facts given in the question, and identify the main legal issue or issues. Example, if the case involves a contract being disputed due to lack of consideration, the legal issue is whether the contract is valid without consideration. State the law. Mention the relevant section of the law that applies to the issue. Example, as per Section 25 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement without consideration is void unless it falls under specific exceptions. Here are some more examples. As per the provision of Sale of Goods Act 1930, as per the provisions of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. In this way, you can state the relevant legal provisions. Briefly explain the legal principle involved, including definitions and conditions. Example, consideration refers to something valuable that must be given in return for a promise. A contract without consideration is generally unenforceable unless it is made out of natural love and affection. A promise to pay a debt barred by limitations or is a completed gift. Mention the case law relevant to the legal issue and explain its significance. Example, in Balfour versus Balfour, the court held that the agreements between spouses are generally not enforceable as contracts because they lack the intention to create legal relations, a principle that is essential in contract law. Apply the legal principles and case law to the facts provided in the question. Example, in the given scenario, if the promise was made by A to B without any consideration, the contract would typically be void as per Section 25 unless it falls under one of the exceptions. Provide a clear conclusion or judgment based on your analysis. Example, therefore, since the promise made by A to B lacked consideration and does not fall under any of the exceptions, the contract would likely be considered void. Here we have some presentation tips. Use the IRAC method, that is the issue, rule, application and conclusion method. This helps in structuring your answer logically. Clarity and precision. Be precise in stating legal principles and their application to the facts. Highlight key points. Underline or bold legal key terms or case laws for emphasis if allowed. Now let us consider one example. Question. A promises to pay B rupees 10,000 without any consideration. Is the agreement valid? Now we will try to answer this based on the IRAC method that we just now understood. The primary issue here is whether an agreement made without consideration is valid under the Indian Contracts Act 1872. Rule. According to Section 25 of the Indian Contracts Act, an agreement made without consideration is void unless it falls within the exceptions outlined in the section, that is natural love and affection, promise to pay a time barred debt, completed gifts, etc. Application. In the present case, A's promise to pay B rupees 10,000 lacks any consideration. The agreement does not fall under any of the exceptions provided in section 25. Relevant case law. In the case of Durga Prasad versus Baldev, the court reiterated that a promise without consideration is void unless it is covered by an exception under the Act. Conclusion. Since the agreement lacks consideration and does not fall under any exceptions, it is void under the Indian Contracts Act 1872. This structured approach ensures that your answer is clear, legally sound, and easy for the examiner to follow, which is essential for scoring well in the CA Foundation exam. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share the video, and do subscribe to my channel. All the best for your exams. I will see you all in the next video.